For lovers of short hair, the pixie cut remains a timeless favorite, celebrated for its effortless maintenance and chic appeal. This edgy yet elegant style offers a variety of options, from sleek and structured to tousled and textured. Perfect for those seeking a practical yet stylish look, the pixie cut suits any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a more formal event. The low-maintenance nature of this cut makes it especially appealing for busy individuals who want to look polished without spending hours on their hair. With bold colors or soft highlights, the pixie cut can also be customized to reflect personal style, making it a staple for spring. On the other end of the spectrum, spiral hairstyles are taking the long hair crowd by storm. Defined by cascading curls and waves, this hairstyle exudes romance and movement, capturing the essence of springtime beauty. Spiral curls are incredibly versatile, allowing for a relaxed, bohemian vibe or a more polished and glamorous appearance. Whether styled naturally or achieved with the help of curling tools, this look is a go-to for those who love to showcase their hair's length and volume. The spirals frame the face beautifully, enhancing natural features and creating a soft, enchanting silhouette. As we step into spring, these two contrasting yet complementary hairstyles highlight the versatility of modern beauty trends. Whether you're drawn to the daring and easy-to-manage pixie cut or the flowing feminine charm of spiral hairstyles, there's no shortage of inspiration to refresh your look this season. And voila! The hairstyle is complete and looks amazing to the eye.